Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please consider subscribing, and I thank you so much for watching and commenting. It really means so much to me. If I don't get around to replying to every comment, I do apologize. I try to get to everyone, but I know that is impossible. But I do try, and when I can't sleep at night, I go back through it and try to make sure I've gotten everybody. Today I want to show you it is a friend mail, my first friend mail, but it's also I got the winter, I think it was last week's winter, or maybe the week before. It is from Lois. I will leave her channel link below. She is really good, and she picks winners just about every week from what I've noticed. And she asked me which one of these I wanted. Oh, she sent me this card. I've got to get some cards since I've gotten one winner. I'm fixing to pick out 2 more winners of what I've done last month, and I've got one more I just started, and another one that as soon as I get the video loaded will be started. I have decided to do it in small, except for, when I reach big, when I reach like 1,000, I will do a big giveaway. But to do it throughout the month, instead of giving one person a bunch of things, I've decided to break it up and give several little things, like, an ipsy bag or an allure bag or something. I mean, they're not really small, but they're not huge either. Anyway, she sent me this really pretty little card. I won't read what she wrote, but it's a really pretty little card. But I need to get some of those so I can put my cards out to people. So she sent me this really cute necklace. This is pretty much what the kind that I had told her I wanted when she showed me. Look how pretty. I think this is the one that, look how pretty that is. And it has the little pink I think it's pink. I don't know if that's pink or red. I can't tell. It looks pink, but my son keeps telling me it's red. I don't know. But there's the cute little earrings. And there's the matching necklace. Really pretty. On this, I can see the red on the camera, but I don't know when I play it back to y'all if you'll be able to see the red. But there's that. And then this one she sent just to send, I guess, for the friend mail. And when I saw this one, this was actually my favorite. This one, I actually like this one better than the other one. This is so cute. Let me get it unraveled here. Look at this. It has 3 layers. And I actually love necklaces with the little tassel that comes down. And it has the little earrings too. See that? How cute. I'm trying to show. There's the first layer. I can't really show the whole thing, but there's the first layer. And then there's the second layer, and there's the third layer. So it's really a nice long necklace. I love necklaces like that, and I really love necklaces that have any kind of little hanging down tassel like thing. Look how cute. So there is that, my first friend mail. Because this one was a friend mail. The other one was the one that I won. Oh, and if anybody wants to send me friend mail, I'm not telling you to, but if anybody does, or if you want to send me a card, or if you want anything, I did get a P.O. box. I keep forgetting to tell you all that I got a P.O. box quite some time ago. I just forget. I keep forgetting to mention it, but it is in my description. If anybody wants to send anything or do anything, you are welcome. Like I said, I'm not telling you to. I'm not asking you to. I'm just telling you if you want to. I did put that there. And that is those. Oops. Piece of that. I guess that's the extension thing came off or something. So there is that. And, oops, keep sticking to my phone, huh? I thank you all so much for bearing with me and watching my videos. It really means so much to me, and I will see you all very soon. I love you guys. Bye bye.